Hi students, welcome back. So for this lesson, I'm going to be reading this to you guys again, and I'm going to be highlighting the important details about the article. You guys are not going to be doing the highlighting because you don't have the actual paper, but you will need a pencil and a highlighter because we are going to be taking notes after you guys watch the video, okay? So here we go. The reindeer. The reindeer is a species found in northern Europe, Greenland, and the northernmost portion of North America. It is also known as the caribou. So I'm going to highlight where they are found. So the reindeer are usually found in northern Europe, Greenland, and the northern portion of North America. I have two little maps here to show you guys. So the first one is Northern Europe and Greenland. So if you're able to see this image, up here is the northern part of Europe, and this massland right here is Greenland. If you notice, it is all towards the northern part of these two continents. So this other one, it says that they're also found on the northernmost portion of North America. So here's where we are, the United States. But the reindeer are not usually found in the United States. They're found up higher, up north, which, if you can see here, this is a part of Greenland that I showed you from the other map. So let me try to connect it here. So it's a portion from that other map, okay? And this big section is Canada, so reindeer are found along here and in parts of Alaska too. And another name for the reindeer, people also call it the caribou. A reindeer has very large antlers, second in size to the moose. So I'm going to highlight reindeer have large antlers. It says second in size to the moose. That means the moose, their antlers are bigger than the reindeer, but the reindeer is in second place after the moose. Most types of reindeer, both male and female, grow antlers. So not just the males, but the females also grow antlers. Males use their antlers to fight other males. So I'm going to highlight that. Males use their antlers to fight other males. Then they shed their antlers in December. Shedding means they lose them. So they shed their antlers in December. Younger males lose their antlers in early spring. So the younger the reindeer is, it's going to lose them later in the spring. So younger males lose their antlers in the early spring. And the female moose, they don't lose theirs until the summer. Normally, reindeer are herbivores. If you guys know herbivore, I'm going to underline it. It means that they only eat plants. They eat lichen in the winter. Let me show you a picture of lichen. So lichen is a type of plant. I don't know if you guys can see this, but if you look closely, there's a tree branch right under it. So lichen is a type of plant that grows on top, usually of trunks or branches. Okay? So they eat lichen in the winter and grasses the rest of the year. However, some scientists, have noticed that reindeer will also eat eggs, fish, and some even eat lemmings, a small mammal. And here's a picture of a lemming, if you guys can see that. It looks pretty big on the picture because it's zoomed in, but it's kind of like it's a little bit bigger than a guinea pig, but it's similar to it. So again, some scientists noted that some reindeer do eat lemmings. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that as well. However, some scientists have seen that some will also eat eggs, fish, and even lemmings, which is a small mammal. So they are part of the deer family. As a member of the deer family, reindeer are also prey species. Prey means that other animals hunt them. So the reindeer are also prey. They get hunted as well. And here are the animals that hunt them. Wolves, bears, and wolverines will attack reindeer, especially the small calves. So calves are the baby reindeer. So wolves, bears, and wolverine attack reindeer. And I found an image because I'm not sure if you guys are too familiar with wolverines. You guys have seen wolves before, images, and bears. But here's one of the wolverine. Look at this. They have very sharp teeth. They're not as big as a wolf, obviously. It kind of reminds me of a beaver a little bit, but it's probably bigger than a beaver. Here's the tail, has sharp claws. So that's the wolverine. So wolverines will hunt the reindeer. Herds of reindeer migrate as much as 3,000 miles in a year. They do a lot of walking. Migrating means moving from one place to another. So in one whole year, they can migrate as much as 3,000 miles. In a single day, a herd may travel up to 34 miles in a day. They can travel from 12 to 34 miles in one single day. Also, reindeer swim well and can run as fast as 50 miles per hour. They are good swimmers and very good runners as well. For centuries, humans have hunted and herded reindeer as a source of food and hides. In other words, some people grow or have a herd of reindeer, kind of like a herd of cows that they raise them. Some people raise reindeer, but others hunt reindeer. They usually hunt them for food. So we have two very different things that humans do. Some humans hunt them and some herd them. Some cultures, such as the Lapps, use reindeer to pull pulks, which is a short toboggan or sled. So this culture, the Lapps, they use the reindeer to pull sleds or toboggans. Same meaning. Okay, so make sure you guys are following along with this reading. I'm going to stop the recording, but I will add a separate recording that will be part of the vocabulary for this, okay?